Today, we will talk about how to clean a stone tile shower. Let's have a look at the details. Caring for the stone tile in your shower will preserve its appearance and maintain its condition. Proper care can keep your stone looking like new for generations. Clean most kinds of dirtiness from your stone tile with a mild detergent, a soft cloth, and a soft bristle brush. Remove stains from the stone tile by identifying the kind of stain and using the right kind of treatment, like ammonia for oil-based stains. Maintain your stone tile by avoiding acidic and abrasive cleaners and by removing excess moisture from the stone after every shower. The first method is doing routine cleaning. Wipe away loose buildup and grime. Wet a clean, soft cloth, like one made of microfiber, in warm water. Firmly wipe down all of your shower's stone tiles and the grout in between. This will make it easier for you to find and target more severe buildup and hidden stains. Scrub grout with a toothbrush and mild detergent. Rinse the area thoroughly afterward and repeat as necessary until the grout is clean. Clean the stone with a mild detergent or stone soap. Cut through soap scum with an ammonia and water solution. Soap scum is a common problem and it can be difficult to remove. Cut through it with a solution of a half cup of ammonia and a gallon of water. Apply the solution to the tile with a clean, soft cloth. Dry the stone after cleaning. The second method is removing stains. Investigate the location of the stain. This can provide useful information about what caused the stain. Certain stains will need special cleaning procedures to be removed from the stone. Note the color, size, shape, and pattern of the stain, along with anything in the area that might have caused it. Cleanse oil-based stains with a household detergent or ammonia. Afterward, dry the area with a soft towel. Eliminate mildew and algae with a heavy-duty cleaner. Mix a diluted cleaning solution containing a half cup of ammonia, bleach, or hydrogen peroxide with a gallon of water and clean the surface. Erase organic stains with hydrogen peroxide and ammonia. The most common kinds of organic stains come from bodily fluids, like urine or feces, tobacco, paper, and food. Use a stone poultice for metal stains. Mix the poultice according to its directions. Usually, this will result in a paste that is the consistency of peanut butter. The paste should extend beyond the stain by roughly an inch, 2.5 centimeters. Tape plastic over the poultice. Wait the time indicated on the label, then remove it according to its directions. Hard water can leave rings, a white film, or a scale on your stone. When the stone is dry, buff the surface in a circular motion with a dry piece of 0000 rated steel wool. The third method is maintaining your stone tile. Evaluate the condition of your stone. These may need to be replaced or repaired. Uneven tiles may require a professional to grind, hone, and polish them flat. Avoid abrasive and acidic cleaners. These cleaners will damage your stone. Remove excess moisture from the tile after showering. Water remaining on your tile will eventually evaporate, leaving behind minerals that cloud your stone, dirtiness, and more. After every shower, use a squeegee or soft towel to wipe away excess water and prevent this from happening. Protect the condition of the tile with a non-slip mat. Polish out etch marks. Etch marks are usually caused by an acid. Remove any dirtiness first with general cleaning methods. Then, apply a suitable stone polishing powder to the tile. Hire a professional to deep clean your stone tile. Professional cleaners have special tools and techniques that can extract dirt or grime that may have impacted the pores of the stone, which causes dullness. Have your tile cleaned by a professional when thorough cleaning fails to restore the stone's luster. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.